What's up YouTube, it's your girl Kush coming back at you with another tutorial. If you haven't been here before, please subscribe down below and also click the notification bell on KDTV Vivo. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, please go to KDTV Official and go follow me. So again, I already did an unboxing, which you can go see in the video that I will put down below. But this is JACLYN Hill Volume 2 palette. As you can see, this is my first time ever really using, second time actually, but first time ever getting a palette from JACLYN Hill. But I'm loving it so far. I've created some good things so far. Okay, KDTV, so what we're gonna do is we're going to base our eyelids. Boom, boom. So Ultima's primer, eyelids like Mukiki, and we're gonna be using P. Louise, the base concealer, which is a good base for your eyeshadow because it has good pigment in it. So if you want your eyeshadow to pop, you're gonna want to use that one. I recommend that one if you really want your makeup to stick.
Your belly's always humble. I'm a sweet kid, I could be your apple crumble. Watching niggas turning phony. Red button every time that they phone me. I stay up on my sexy lonely. Feel better when I'm fucking
brush JS9, and we're gonna be starting off with a brown base in the new JACLYN Hill Volume 2, and it is in, we're gonna use Perfectionist, which is in this color, just to start off as our base. Homebody, which is this one right here.
I'm only joking, they can never get me. Demons always trying to fucking test me. Dealing with a lot of shit, call it large intestine. Show me light, show me better days.
We're gonna go with the shade Crazy. This one right here.
Saying that I'm pretty, but I play an ugly game. I need light, I need these brighter days. Money on my mind, I'm cashing out with my mastermind. Green leaf blowing, now I'm high. Sorry, I ain't set to die. Spread my wings before you fly awake. That's a conscious mind. Hennessy, the drink of mine. Sipping it for quite some time. I'm realer when I see the night.
13, JS13. We're gonna use this black.
Must side living, but I need a better side. Must side living, but I need a better side. Give me light, give me light, give me light. Show me the way. Show me escape. Show me escape. Here is my pain. Take me to faith. Show me the way.
So blend it in and make it a little smoky. Well, just more deep. Now we're looking at this right here. This is what we got so far. Now we're just gonna go into our P. Louise base, and we're just gonna put a little bit. And I'm gonna be using the Morphe brush M213 brush, Morphe base with the M213 brush. So now to wear. Clean that brush, wet it, and we're gonna be using the same brush M213. And we're using the color Talia. Brush JS10. We're gonna go with the black, which is the Tempest. And now we're going to be using Crazy, the color Crazy. Now we're going to be going to our now we're going to be going down to our foundation, and we're going to be cleaning it up. Okay, now we're going to be using Morphe Bake and Set Banana Nut. Y'all, please comment below and tell me how y'all feel about the corona, y'all. We're just gonna dab it. Let's set this a little bit.
They can never get me. Demons always trying to fucking test me. Dealing with a lot of shit, call it large intestine. Show me light, show me better days. Mix the ambience with some fucker haze. Illusion to your brain. Saying that I'm pretty, but I play an ugly game. I need light, I need these brighter days. Money on my mind, I'm cashing out with my mastermind. Green leaf blowing, now I'm high. Sorry, I ain't set to die. Spread my wings before you fly. Awake, that's a conscious mind. Hennessy, the drink of mine. Sipping it for quite some time. I'm realer when I see the night, cause I'm closer to my darker side. Energy and vibe, so I make it through the night. My side living, but I need a better sight. My side living, but I need a better sight. Give me light, give me light, give me light. Show me the way. Show me escape. Show me escape. Here's my pain. Take me to faith. Show me the way. Show me escape. Show me escape. Here's my pain. Take me to faith. Disconnected, do I even want to be connected? Think I get it. Disconnected, do I even want to be connected? I can help you. Rejected, do I ever even see perspective? Think I get it. Disconnected, do I even want to be connected? I can help you. Rejected, do I ever even see perspective? Think I get it. Disconnected, do I even want to be Show me escape. Show me escape.